Hello everyone, welcome to week 13. I'm in the announcement page right here, but we're going to talk about more culture and communication. Mainly this week we're going to talk about diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI. Definitely something that's been brought up a lot in culture nowadays, which is a good thing. So cultural diversity is one of the TED Talks that I really enjoyed. I posted that, Improving Your Diversity IQ, another TED Talk. Both of them are not very long, so hope you enjoy them as well. And then you have my video on culture and communication, just touching the surface. So I want to post a reminder. This is not an all-inclusive video. There's a lot that we need to learn in response to DEI, and I just barely touched the surface. The chapter does a good job of going over this. However, it does not highlight everything that needs to be talked about. So there's a lot that we still have yet to do in society, and there's a lot that we can learn and improve on in a culture. So that's what you have this week. You don't actually have anything but homework. So that's nice, right? Only homework, no discussion post. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Next week, we're going to run into our final exam preparation. So you're going to have a video that highlights some of the questions on the final exam, and I'll post that as soon as possible. But you'll have a week to study, and then we'll have a week to take the final exam. It might not be a full week to take the course exam, but it could be a few days. So a week to study and a few days to take it. In regards to the course module, that's going to be in the final week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I appreciate all your efforts and look forward to some awesome homework grades and some awesome final exam grades very soon. Thanks so much.